Alright, so this is the second time I've managed to do this. The gray and white wire, 5-volt standby, specifically 5.2. The purple is labeled PS on. The brown is labeled dim. The black is labeled on off. On off is also labeled on this connector, which goes to the backlight driver. So just like the other TV I had, on off means backlight on off. The TV worked, but the LCD was dead, so I put a multimeter on there. These were each, one was 2, the other was like 2.6. So PS on, and these all shorted to the 5-volt standby, it turns on. Since these were less than half that, I went ahead and took ground from here and the 5-volt standby, put a resistor on each of those, then put those resistors together, and then ran these to those. So these each get 2.6 volts. The PS on, when I measured it when the TV was on, was 3.3. 2.6 wasn't enough, so I just ran it straight to 5.2. I doubt the voltage limits are so narrow that 2.6 isn't enough to turn it on, but 5.2 will kill it. I really doubt it, so it's just straight there. That connection is right here. If I were to use an Arduino, I could probably very easily get that to control this without having to use a relay and just switch the AC power to if I wanted to do some DIY automation crap. But anyway, I take the AC power, plug it in, and as you can see, pretty bright. Rip the LCD off completely, so plenty of light comes through. Yeah, the controller board completely gone. Controller board meaning the part that has HDMI in and all that, gone. And just take the AC power, flip it off, on, off, on, or I could put a switch on the PS on wire here, run that to something else. Seems like it's pretty standard. I did this on a Vizio 32-inch. I think the colors of the wires are even the same. And I think I might have just shorted them all to 12 volts and it didn't complain, and I ran it for months. Yeah, broke it one day when I tried to take the backlight out to put in a different TV, and broke the LCD in the other TV, and then ran over the LED bar from that one, and well, that's why I don't have it anymore. Peace.